Atikado now. Pass to Nana. Nana pass to Ulo. Pass to Atikado. Atikado 2 points. Atikado now. Atikado. Nawala bola na sa kanila. Pass to number 11 to Nana. Pass. Number 22 Abelio. Pass to number 0. Duty number 0 pa rin. Inamat. Wala na huli pa rin. Inamat pa rin. Nakuha na lang first 2 points para sa Pili. Pass to number 8. Duty number 8. Good defense para kay Atikado. Wow! Good. Pass to number 44. Kasi inamat. Wala na ako ni Mili. 2 points. Stage favor. Number 44. Pass to number 46. Number 23. Inamat. 2 points. Villaver number 23. Number 44. Kasi inamat. Wala na ako ni Brent. Inamat. 2 points. To number 23. Take a 2. No good na. Number 46. 2 points. Ricardo Paso pass. Foul and 1. Control. Basket. Kaya now. Pass to Canoy. Use the ball. Wala na ako ni Perredo. Take a 2. 2.5 seconds. Basta na lang po. Nasudutan na ako ni Tahulog. Tahulog sa kinatol. Laki o. Change favor na. Pass number 14. Pass to Peredo. Pass to Tahulog. Bakit? Tahulog. Kaya Biaw. Pass to outlet pass kay number 0. 2 points. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Kaya Biaw sinangat foul and 1. Basket. Tahulog now. Outlet pass kay number 14. Napakabilis. Huli ka. Pass kay number 17. Outlet pass. Number Perredo. Wow! Pagbalto na lang. Ready for stop. Ami back to 2 points. Pass to number 23. Abdul Anawani. Number 45. Back to Aldo. Pass to number 0. 2 points. Finish. Ami. Inamat. 2 points. 80 for Ready for stop. Inamat dapat. 1 minute exactly. Second to go. 15 seconds up, they got 2 points. Nasa kanya pa rin, 15 seconds shot na, 45 seconds. 5 seconds, 2 points, 10 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 2 points shot na ito. And of the first half. Ricardo, 14 seconds shot. After the number 1 of Pedro. Pedro, pass to number 0. 2 points. Pass to Ricardo. Ricardo, 2 points. 26-33. Tahulog inakat, 2 points. 14 seconds shot na. Ganda pata, pinalin pa. Kaya Biapre, shot lang kasi. Kaya Biap, take a deep back. Kaya Biap. Number 8, Tekado, 2 points. Kaya Biaw. Tekabit. Gandang pasay. Peredo, inangan, 2 points. Peredo. Inangan, wala na uni. Sa ulo, gandang pasay. Natulan, kanya pa rin. Number 14, Tekado, wala na ulo. 2 points. Lead, gagawin ng attitude. Wala na naman ang team ng attitude. Outway to love, pass to Antimano, good, big, 2 points, James Maywood, James comes up, take a defense, James Maywood ang at wala na uli, Villabella, number 8, Stevens, 2 points para number 0. Villabella, pass, ganda pass pa ilalim, 2 points. Lumodoble na. Villabella, nakalaban kaya Biab now. Kaya Biab rin. Kaya Biab, pass sa ulo, pass to number 22, foul and 1. Number 40 to Villabella, then they jump now. Take a 2 points. Number 29, take a big pass, number 22, pass on the counter, take a 2 points. Pass to Nana. Nana, di ba yun? Nana again, 2 points. 40 seconds, pass na po next final quarter. Number 44, 5, second shot lang, take a 2 points. Pass number 22, Pinato. Gulat. Number 48, pass to number 23. Number 8. 1 minute and 35 seconds shot clock using the ball. 2 points. And Biab. Pass to number 11. Inabahan na ulit using the ball. 2 points. 5 seconds. Nana. Nana pass to number 11 using the ball. 2 points. 1 point number 8. Pass number 23. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points. Pass to Biab. 15 seconds remaining. Pass to West. 3.11 seconds. Out the pass back number 8. 1 second pass for the ball. Paul Negros win 60 to 58. Congrats para sa team ng Roslyn. Best player of the game.